Welcome to another episode of the DataDistillr Masterclass series. And it's Thursday. And who do we have on Thursday? It's always our friend Monty. Good to see you, brother.
Good to be here.
Yeah, it's amazing how each week we keep improving as a brand, and we keep finding very interesting use cases for our tech. And what Monty and I decided to show for today is how you can visualize in DataDistillr, cool, as well as export that to Tableau. All right, so I think there's a lot going on. And what we decided to do, and Monty, I think it was a great idea. What Monty and I did was, getting ready for the show, we built an Excel spreadsheet. And in that spreadsheet is Salesforce customer data. And then we also pulled a few public API data, and we wanted to kind of put everyone through a simulation on like what we hear with our customers. Like everyone's in an Excel file and they keep loading and loading Excel files, but how do you want to query sheets? So Monty, I thought that was a really fucking clever idea. What were your thoughts on that?
Yeah, the Salesforce data into the Excel file, then that Excel flat file into DDR. You can visualize it in the DDR environment, or you can download it as a CSV and do whatever you like with it. But yeah, I thought it was really exciting how we were able to get our Salesforce data via the API, in the Excel file, visualized in DDR, and just the range of things you can do in DDR is really nice.
Awesome. Yeah, and it's so funny. We speak to so many customers, and everyone's using Salesforce, and everyone uses Excel. And then someone was like, "Hey, here's how we use it." So we just simulated that. So Monty, if you're open to it, what I think we should do is, I think it would be cool to show a query how we queried a couple of sheets, and then show how easy it is to visualize in DataDistillr. But I think it'd be really cool to show everybody also how easy it is to export it out to Tableau and then visualize in Tableau. Are you open to doing that?
Always happy to
do right. So let's get you to share the screen. And again, this is the DataDistillr Masterclass series. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through. And Monty, why don't you take over how we're going to walk them through and what's in the Excel file?
Yeah. So here we have our Excel file. It's called DDR. And we specify the type of data that it is and the sheet name of the sheet that we want to specify. Here we have info. And if you look over in the nav tree, you can find the data here. You can see your two sheets. You have info and wealth. So first we're like, hey, let me query the one sheet in my Excel tab called info. Here we are. And then if you want, you can even specify and go to the next sheet, wealth. And these two sheets are separated. They're not joined with one another, but that's the beauty of DDR. You can, with a simple inner join query, select the two files on the column that you wish to join them to on the similar value. And then with that, you can have both those sheets into one sheet.
And what I love about this is, Monty, again, the sheets, the information, how we got the information here, it's API data, it's Salesforce data. So I love that we're showing everyone who's used to Excel and putting things into Excel, how you can join them. So I love where you're going with this, Monty.
All right. And then to take it a step even further, when you have the data generated that you're looking for, you head over, you change from your query window to your visualize window. You can specify what you want as your x-axis.
So good. Yep, so good. I mean, that is clean. That is freaking fast. And there's a lot. And I love that you can do it in our system. But as everyone knows that listens to the masterclass, Monty and we always try to go a little bit further. So Monty, why don't you keep going? This is super cool, super fast how it loads. It's amazing.
You don't have to stop here. You can download this graph and you can attach it to your report. So say you have to say, someone on top is like, hey, I need these charts. You can download it right from the DDR interface as a JPEG or a PNG and attach that to your report. Or you can go to your generated query, export this data as a CSV, open your Tableau, and then load that data right into here. File, open the CSV that you downloaded from DDR, and you're able to work with your data visualizations.
That's pretty interesting. So all you had to do, like we've talked about, is so easy, right? So all you did was export it. And everyone that uses Tableau knows how you can export it and then put it into Tableau. And what we wanted to do here, and I think Monty did a great job, is showing bar chart to bar chart, right? And I love that we even matched the color. So it's just great to build a tool that you can work in. But hey, if you want to do more with another tool, we've got you covered. I think it's great. I think it's great. And I think what we wanted to show here is, again, how easy that is. And, Excel, Salesforce, these are really tools that so many people use. So Monty, it is Thursday. It's always good to see you. And we thank you for really being on the show and not only to the show, but just always delighting our customers with all the work that you do for them. So Monty, thanks again. And again, this is the DataDistillr Masterclass series. And what we wanted to show you today was visualizing both in our system as well as visualizing via Tableau. And as Monty would say, happy distilling. And you can download you can actually visit our website at datadistillr.com. And there you can reach out to contact us and we can give you a test instance as well. So we want to thank everyone for even watching and being part of the community. Have a great day.